All right, cohort A, folks. This is another capture the flag, which you'll start to get the hang of, and it's pretty cool. Same useful tool thing as last time. Just some new problems, and you'll see you get pretty good at these things. So first, go to this picoCTF.org. It's run by Carnegie Mellon University. If you need to sign up and don't have an account yet, do that. And they have competitions every year. Normally, it's a cool story, and there actually is one this year, but it's going on like right now. And usually, I like to do last year's story, and it has like kind of a video game aspect to it. But this year, it didn't really. So I'm going to just hit log in. If you don't have an account yet, you got to hit sign up. And when I log in, I can see, I got here, hit practice at the top. You can learn, you can compete. The compete has a pretty cool thing, but I tried to, it uses this web shell for some of them, and you guys don't, I don't know if it works on a Chromebook, so I was picking stuff that you could do for sure, whether or not your Chromebook works. So my first challenge is do 4 challenges in the general skills part. So if you click practice, and we get all these choices, go down here on the left side and pick general skills, and you can see I already did this one. What was this one? Can you convert the number base 2 or the number 42 and base 10 to binary? So I just went to here. I could have done it here, right? I could do it in Cyber Chef too. Binary converter. So, oops, that's not the right way. I want to go the other way around. Base converter. So this one is in, what do we got here? I'll show you what I did here. So the number 42, and I want to turn it into base 2. So I go here, here's the number 42, our base is 10, and I want to turn it to binary, and I hit convert. Boom, and there's my answer. Copy. And then I go up here, and when I type it in, I gotta type it like this: Pico, capital CTF, braces, flag. So Pico, CTF, brace, paste, brace, submit. And it says, yeah, you solved it again, right? I already solved it, that's why it's green. Okay, and my goal for you is to solve 4 more. So that one's already done. You can see a lot of these are kind of like that. Here's hexadecimal with OX70. How would it start in ASCII? And it's got hints and stuff like that of how to type it in. Warmed up. You got a bunch of stuff with bases. Grepping. You can grep this file. Here it says there's a tutorial for how to grep. You can open the file, and then I can grep this thing, or Control F. I can search for picoCTF, that sort of stuff. It's worth 100 points. Or I could go into web shell and kind of, enter in my username and all that stuff and get the flags that way. So anyway, yeah, there's all sorts of stuff here. So your first goal is to get 4 of them in there. And I think this has enough of them to do. Okay, so you'll be good with that. And then the second day and third day, I might as well, well, maybe I'll help you with a couple in there, but they're pretty similar. The difference is you're going to click on cryptography, the second one. You're going to kind of try to break these codes, right? And they all have little hints. And there's numbers, easy, Caesar code, La Cifra. You can do tons of these. And then there's a second page here because I have 2 days of stuff. So you can get, I want to get 4 the first day in cryptography, 4 more. And, just try them out. You'll get good at this stuff and code breaking. And basically, you're doing all the cryptography one. If you want to get into some of the other ones, would be good with that stuff. If you wanted to go into some of the other things like forensics and stuff like that, you could. But they're a little harder. But you could look them up and you can use this learn stuff, right? There's all sorts of resources and primers and learning guides. Like if you want to learn forensics, you can click on here and learn it, and be like, I don't know, file carving and all this stuff with directories and metadata and all that good stuff. Anyway, it's a lot of stuff you can learn, and it's just good to have that resource out there. So try these out. You should have fun with it. Sign in. This is the only video because it's all cryptography, and if you're using these things like number converters and steganographic decoders and CyberChef and Decode FR, you'll be good to go. All right, talk to you later. Adios.